In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Nano Banana Pro images into editable SVG files. By the end, you'll have a clean, scalable vector version of your image that you can recolor and tweak without losing quality. First, open your web browser and head to Google. Any modern browser will work. In the search bar, type Recraft. We're using Recraft because it has a straightforward vectorize feature that turns pixel-based images into editable vector paths. From the search results, click the official Recraft website. If you see ads or lookalike links, make sure you choose the legitimate site. Once you're on the homepage, find and select Create New Project. If you're prompted to sign in, follow the prompts. This just unlocks the workspace where you'll upload and edit your image. Give your project a clear name so you can find it later. Inside your new project, choose Upload. Locate your Nano Banana Pro image on your computer. Formats like PNG or JPEG are perfect. For best results, pick the highest resolution version you have. Images with solid edges and good contrast generally vectorize more cleanly than blurry or heavily compressed files. After your image appears in the canvas, select Vectorize. This is the step that does the heavy lifting. Recraft analyzes the pixels and converts them into paths and shapes. Depending on your image's complexity, it may take a moment. When it's done, zoom in to inspect edges and curves. What used to be a grid of pixels is now a set of crisp vector shapes that can scale to any size without becoming fuzzy. Now you can change the color of the image. Because it's vectorized, each part of the artwork is a distinct shape with its own fill color. Click a shape to select it, then open the color picker or palette. You'll see the new color apply instantly, which makes it easy to explore different looks or match brand colors. If you ever change your mind, use Undo to step back. Try clicking any color and watch how the artwork updates in real time. Test a few combinations to see what works best. Keep in mind that very subtle shading or gradients in the original image may have been simplified during vectorization, so pick colors that enhance the simplified shapes. Consistency is key, especially if you're preparing icons, logos, or illustrations. That's it. You've transformed your Nano Banana Pro image into an editable vector inside Recraft, ready for precise recoloring and further design work. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new, scalable SVG-ready artwork.